Quran Penguben, Elijah Manyok Jok Magot.
So you will read after me. I,
Elijah Manyok Jok Magot,
Chairperson of the BCYA,
Chairperson of the BCYA,
do hereby swear by the Almighty God
do hereby swear by the Almighty God
that as the Chairperson of the BCYA,
that as the Chairperson of the BCYA,
I shall be faithful
I shall be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to BCYA,
to BCYA,
and that I shall diligently and honestly
and honestly
discharge my duties and responsibilities
discharge my duties and responsibilities
in a consultative manner
in a consultative manner
to foster the development and welfare of the BCYA,
to foster the development and welfare of the BCYA,
and that I shall obey, preserve, and defend the Constitution
of
BCYA
BCYA
and abide by its laws,
and abide by the laws,
and that I shall
protect
and promote the unity of the BCYA and consolidate the democratic system of good governance and preserve the integrity and dignity of the BCYA and our people. So help me God. Congratulations. Next,